let's review how to prepare a cost of goods manufactured schedule. So this problem says Cisneros Corporation has the following cost records for April of 2020, and we're given a list. And then we need to prepare a cost of goods manufactured schedule for the month. So we have all of that information up in the upper left corner now. And when we start to prepare our cost of goods manufactured schedule, the very first thing that we will want to list is our beginning work in process. So our work in process on April 1st was 2,000. After our beginning work in process, we start listing out all of our product costs, right? So that's going to be your direct materials, direct labor, and your manufacturing overhead. So we can see that our direct materials used, that was $28,000. Our direct labor, that's $49,000. And then for manufacturing overhead, we have a bunch of individual pieces that make up our manufacturing overhead. We have indirect factory labor, our depreciation on the factory equipment, factory utilities, factory maintenance, indirect materials, and factory manager's salary. Right? So all of those pieces make up your manufacturing overhead. So we'll list all of those out, and then we need to add them up to get our total manufacturing overhead. So if you add up those 6 different pieces, you'll end up with 20,700. So now we have our 3 product costs, right? Another term for that would be your manufacturing costs. So we add up our direct materials, our direct labor, and our manufacturing overhead to get our total manufacturing costs of $97,700. Then we'll add that to our beginning work in process that we have at the very top of that 2,000, and that tells us our total cost of work in process is $99,700. Now we still have a few more steps here. We need to subtract out our ending work in process. So we subtract out what we're still working on at the end of the month, that 3,100, and then that will give you your cost of goods manufactured. So that's your 96,600. So you took your beginning work in process and you added in all of the manufacturing costs that you incurred during this month. You subtracted out what you were still working on at the end of the month, and that told you what was the cost of the goods that you manufactured during this month.